Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best in snacks and treats. Today, we're diving into a delightful autumn favorite, the Brach's Mellowcreme Caramel Apples Halloween Candy. This treat is not just a nostalgic nod to classic fall flavors. It's also the best caramel apple candy you can get your hands on. So, if you're ready to satisfy your sweet tooth and get into the Halloween spirit, stay tuned. Let's talk about what makes Brach's Mellowcreme Caramel Apples so special. First off, the presentation. The candy comes in a vibrant 9-ounce bag filled with these colorful, tricolored morsels. As you open the bag, you're greeted by a delightful sweet scent that perfectly captures the essence of fall. Think crisp apples dipped in rich, gooey caramel. It's hard not to feel nostalgic as the aroma wafts through the air, reminding you of visits to pumpkin patches and Halloween festivities. But it's not just the smell that draws you in, it's the taste. Each piece offers a unique blend of flavors that perfectly mimics the classic caramel apple experience. The chewy texture of the candy melts in your mouth, providing that satisfying sweet taste that candy lovers crave. As you bite into one, the sweetness of the Mellowcreme is balanced by a hint of caramel flavor, creating a treat that's both indulgent and fun. What's particularly interesting about this candy is its versatility. You can enjoy it on its own, of course, but it also makes a great addition to your fall gatherings. Whether you're filling goodie bags for trick-or-treaters, adding it to a festive candy bowl, or using it as a topping for desserts, Brach's Mellowcreme Caramel Apples can elevate any occasion. Now, let's not forget the visual appeal. The vibrant colors of the candy are eye-catching and perfect for the Halloween season. Imagine a bowl of these at your Halloween party, adding that extra festive touch. They not only taste good but look great too, making them a fantastic choice for decoration or as part of your Halloween festivities. And for those who might be health conscious, it's worth noting that while these treats are undoubtedly sugary, they can still be enjoyed in moderation. The ingredient list includes sugar, corn syrup, and natural flavors, among others, ensuring a fun and sweet indulgence without any complicated additives. It's all about balance, right? To wrap up, if you're looking to capture the essence of autumn and bring some sweetness to your celebrations, Brach's Mellowcreme Caramel Apples Halloween Candy is an absolute must-try. It perfectly blends nostalgia, flavor, and festive spirit, making it the best caramel apple candy available on the market. So, that's our deep dive into Brach's Mellowcreme Caramel Apples. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more snack critiques, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique. Stay sweet, and we'll see you in the next video.